They called him a failure, until his customer returned. Ryan was a young man who repaired phones in a tiny roadside kiosk. People mocked him every day. "You're too smart to be fixing broken phones," they laughed. One afternoon, an elderly woman came with an old, cracked phone. "It contains the last voice messages from my late husband," she said. "Please, save them." Ryan worked for hours and finally recovered every recording. When the woman heard her husband's voice again, she burst into tears. She quietly thanked him and left. A week later, a black SUV stopped in front of Ryan's kiosk. The same woman stepped out. She introduced herself as the founder of one of the country's biggest technology companies. "I've been looking for someone with skill, patience, and compassion," she smiled. "I've found him." She offered Ryan a job leading her company's device recovery team. The same people who laughed at him were now lining up to congratulate him. Moral lesson: never look down on honest work. The opportunity that changes your life often arrives disguised as an ordinary day.
The way you make me smile when I